What's up, guys? We're gonna be opening this today. Just joking. What's up, guys? We're gonna be opening this today to today's my birthday. Let's rip this open. Let me go crazy. Just joking. We won't go that crazy. It's my birthday. We don't do that crazy. Open it softly. Get this one out of the way. Ooh, we have a Mewtwo pack. I'll leave this one right here. Let me get this one out. The cheap. Can't get it. Oh, geez, that one just flew. And pick it up. Headphone's falling. My headphone. No. Okay. Here's another one. That box is just bad. Bad luck today. And, oh gee, what was that? Code card leaves out there. Yeah, let me open this one. That one, the other one fell. Floor. There. How many get of these? Okay. Feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm starting Mewtwo. Sorry, can't open this pack. Okay, code card. Oh, I forgot to do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the trick. Man, let's look at the one off camera, but I can't. Okay, this one. I'm gonna do this fast. I'm gonna do it fast. I'm just mad. I'm not. If that tin gets good pulse, oh jeez, this one ahead. And I saw. No, this one's a goner. Hopefully this box not gonna trust. Do my best left. Oh wait, double. I didn't even notice that. Yeah. I just want to go through this fast. If I just find a good pull, then I'll, okay, I guess I'll just show you the red tat, this little guy right here. At least I didn't want to. Growlithe, oh jeez, everything's going crazy. Oh geez, I dropped the card. This tin. I mean, this is not 10. They're the cards. Yeah, just take those cards. Okay, here's this one. I'm just very mad. I'm just upset. If we don't at least get one pull, at least just one, I'll just be so happy. I don't care what it is. I don't care if it's a trainer. I don't care. The scissors on this one. Tricky pack. The tricky. I don't see nothing. Fresh pack. Okay. I feel this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. Rope. This is a little guy. This one. Energy. Charmander. Crab guy. Meows. Snuffle. This guy. Oh! Everybody said dab. He's dabbing right there. He's dabbing. See that dab? If you can't see that dab there, he's dabbing. For reals. And dust. Nothing good. I'll give this card away. Since it's dabbing. Just joking. I'll keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Say dab in the comment. If you like dabbing, then subscribe and like this video if you'd like to see this guy dab. For now on, I'll keep this one. I'll say every time when I say dab, I'll bring some dab, dab, dab. See that dabbing ghost? Dabbing ghost, dabbing ghost, dabbing ghost, dabbing ghost. Yeah. Okay, we still have one more pack to go. Sure. Tell me how long I did that dabbing ghost for. How long I had it there. Give me more. Give me card. Give me cards. Give me these cards. Give me these cards. Give me. Ah. Oh, geez, I did it again. This is gonna be our last pack, so hopefully something good. No code card. A Pikachu. I didn't see. I see. Oh! Something good. Something good. I'll say. I'm doing the card trick. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I saw it. I didn't see it, but I saw that I'm the looper. Whoopa whoopa doing the dab. Just joking, not doing the dab. Oh, dab. Where did the dab go? Whoopa said doing the dab. I'll leave this card right here in case if I say dab. Energy. Pikachu. This guy sneaking up. This guy Snuffle. We just pulled another Snuffle. And we say reverse dab. Just joking. And Meowth. And I'm not gonna look. Tell me what that is in the comments. I'm not looking. Where's the dab? Where's the dab? God. Dab. I'm not looking at Whoa, jeez. We got one pull. Ooh, for the day. GX. Okay, I'll put my cards over here. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of that dabbing ghost. Dabbing ghost. Jeez, what's that? Oh, there. I'm going to do the 10 last. And